Hey, are you looking for information on how to make solo ads with Warrior Plus? Because you want to get high quality traffic to your Warrior Plus, so this way you're able to generate leads and make more sales. Well, you came to the right place. If you don't know who I am, I'm Gio Gianta. I'm a top producer and top traffic provider in online space, and I help people to build and grow their business online. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to make solo ads with Warrior Plus, how to get high quality traffic, how to actually get free traffic through Facebook and YouTube, and how to get high quality paid traffic if you want to use paid traffic, right? So we're going to go through all that in this video. And what you're looking at right now is you're looking at the Warrior Plus login screen. So you're going to need a free account if you're using Warrior Plus, so you can sign up for a free account and you could start looking at the offers on here, and you want to pick a good offer. What I would suggest for you is, if you're using the offers on here, always have your own funnel and connect it to these offers, so this way you're retaining your own leads and everything like that. And we could help you with the whole setup if you need help with that, and I can help you make more money with your funnel and your tools that you're using and be able to generate income that way. So I'm going to show you exactly one of the ways that you could generate Facebook leads right now to build a list for solo ads. So basically what you would want to do is come over here, and you're using Facebook, and if you have a lot of Facebook friends, you want to be able to get them onto your email list. So what we have here is we have a tool, and this is called the Facebook Inviter, and it invites your Facebook friends. It will send about 10 messages per day, and you have to have this tool to be able to use it. And here's how it works right here. So you're looking at how it's working in real time, which is really cool. You're able to see, so it sends them out a message like that, and it allows you to follow up with your Facebook friends, right? And so this is a page, this is our turnkey system that we have. And so if you've been looking for a system that actually helps you to get results and will validate every single email that comes through your funnel, go to the second link in the description to learn more about these tools, about the Facebook Inviter, right? So you'll go to this page right here, and this is our turnkey residual income system that will help you to get 80% of every dollar that comes back to you. So when you make a sale, you get 80% of everything that was spent, right, by customers, right? And you could use our system to be able to generate sales with Warrior Plus, right? And that's a cool thing. When you use our system, they can't enter in a fake email. So you want to make sure when you go into the description of this video and you go to the second link, you put in a real email, because if you enter a fake email, it's not going to let you in, and you're going to have to put in a real email in order to find out more information about systems and how to actually create your system for Warrior Plus. But you're going to have to do this to be able to learn how to put the system together and learn how to get traffic, right? So you could get traffic through Facebook and YouTube, Facebook this way, and then if you want to get paid traffic, you can come over here to profitbettertraffic.com, and you could order some traffic from me. And when you order traffic from me, I make sure that you get targeted traffic to the offers that you're promoting, and I make sure that your capture page and sales copy are congruent, because it's very important that they are congruent. And most importantly, you have to know that the quality of traffic that you're getting is very high quality, and you have to know where you're buying traffic from. And I learned the hard way. I paid $87,000 to learn these traffic strategies, and I got little to no support, and I was $87,000 in debt because I kept buying stuff that just didn't work. And then I finally had to get coaching, and when I got coaching, I started to learn traffic strategies. And then when I learned the traffic strategies, I'm like, well, since I started to learn those strategies, I'm going to actually sell traffic and be able to help people. So that's what I do now. So traffic is just one of my income streams, and it was never meant to be, right? It was actually meant to help people that came through, new people who are just getting started who needed traffic, or people that just needed help to generate traffic in their business, right? So that's pretty much what I do. And when you get traffic from me, you're going to get traffic from a variety of different sources, including Facebook, YouTube, Google, Bing PPC, banner ads, Warrior Plus solo ads, and CPM marketing. So we generate traffic from a variety of different sources, and I help you to set up and manage your funnels and your offers. I help you to get the highest converting pages that convert for my clients up to 85% opt-in rate. And I want to help you to build a list are the most highly engaged people that you actually have on your list. And you need to know how to track your leads and conversion rates. So that's what we set up for you. And then we build the list and help you to get results, right? And so how this process works if you decide to buy traffic is you come down here, and this works in 3 simple steps. So step 1 is you select a traffic package as low as 50 cents a click. And then you can actually go and book a campaign and a strategy call. So you book your campaign review and you book a strategy call. So I'll look over your funnel, I'll give you feedback, and then we'll have a strategy call. I'll give you some strategies that you could generate the free traffic with Facebook and YouTube, and actually how to do it the right way. So this way you're getting free traffic as well as paid traffic. I suggest that if you're doing paid traffic, you should do it with other things that you're already doing, like Facebook and YouTube. So free traffic with the paid traffic is actually a good strategy. You don't want to just do paid traffic because it's a lot better when you're doing both. You get higher quality traffic from search and also from the people that see you on a daily basis on social media, right? Those are going to be your best quality leads that you could possibly get, right? So paid traffic is just there to help you. It's there to be an enhancer and help you to be able to get results. And then step 3 is we launch your campaign within 72 hours or less. So here's some of the results that I've got for people. 200 clicks of traffic, 90% opt-in rate, and 3 sales. And there's plenty of other testimonials right here. So take a look at this for yourself. Here's the packages right here. Here's 90% tier 1. Here's 100% tier 1. Pick the one that works best for you. And then here's some of the questions that people ask. So if you have questions, chances are your questions are going to be answered down here. Here's my guarantee to you. I guarantee you 100% real traffic, no bots, no fake clicks, 100% real people who really want what you have to offer. And then if you have questions, you can leave your questions down here. You could also leave them under this video. I will answer all the questions under the video, so leave a comment under the video as well. Also, you could get into my free Facebook group. There's going to be a link below this video to get into there as well, where I give tips, tricks, and strategies on how to build and grow your business online. Also, make sure you subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any time that I upload a new video. And make sure that you reach out to me if you have questions as far as the Facebook inviter and how you actually get traffic, so you can actually use those methods to be able to get traffic. And make sure you come over here and you check out this page right here. It's going to be the second link below this video. So go to the second link below this video and you'll be able to find out more information about systems and put your information in. So this way we will send you that guide that you can use that will show you how to create an effective system in your business. All right. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.